the spirit of us. And I really thank you, sir, for coming and giving your valuable time. Thank you, Oda. Matanda, ako'y na jam na di PM de, tamoy ni saurega, paisali ni jalawa. Do, tamoy ni sauri hoy, aduna sigal ni diba, ako'y Oda hoben, satra magi putok chali ba, asiya pina se, magi pina baita magda, asi natak lega lautok chagi aham bata adu mamangda. Ozana lo semana pani, Miguel to Pavane. So I request, now we will want to give a small token of love and appreciations to the course of the DSA Silchar, Sri Rahul De, for coming here and giving your valuable time. I request our Asian General Secretary, Somen sir, please give a token of love with a please give a round of applause, sir. This is a small token of love. This is a small token of love and appreciations from the family, not from Amba. It's from the family, from all of you, from all of us. We deeply love and honors and thanks from all the sports lovers, irrespective of caste, creed, religion. This is from all of us, sir. A small token of love. Thank you, sir, for coming here and giving your valuable time.